Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram cold interface feed problem easily and fast. So to fix this problem, it's actually so easy. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi like this, then go back, click on the apps manager, go to the apps manager. On this page, you will find many apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram, click on it, click here on the force stop option, and after that, go down to the data usage option. Right here, you need to make sure that all those options are enabled, especially the background data and Wi-Fi. After that, go back and now reopen Instagram and enable the Wi-Fi, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.